Hello, and welcome to the UpToDate tutorial. UpToDate is a point-of-care tool that can be accessed through a mobile device. We're going to start on the Medical Center Library homepage. Scrolling down to the heading, Selected Databases, we're going to choose the UpToDate link. If you are off campus, you will need to input your Link Blue credentials before you can enter the UpToDate interface. Once you're in, you will need to register an account that is separate from your Link Blue. After you've input the information, you will need to accept the license, and then you will be directed towards the UpToDate interface. From there, you can download the app and log in using the credentials that you created earlier. Instructions on how to download and set up the UpToDate app can be found on the College of Medicine Resident Guide. At the end of this video, there will be a screen capture of the UpToDate interface as seen on an iPhone. That concludes our UpToDate registration tutorial. If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Medical Center Library. Thank you.